I will show you how to make chapati. Chapati is a traditional Kenyan flatbread. We start by mixing 5 cups of wheat flour, which I had already poured out. A third cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a third cup of oil, vegetable oil. You want to mix it well. Until everything is all mixed up in there. Breaking the little clumps that you might have in your flour. So after mixing here, we are going to add 2.5 cups of hot water. I have my 2.5 cups in here. And since it's hot water, you want to use a spoon so you do not burn your hand. And mix it. Adding in the water as needed, and start kneading with your hands after you have mixed it well until your dough is elastic and firm. So knead until your dough is no longer sticky. You can add a little more flour if need be. Your dough is still sticking to your hand, just a little bit more. And when you're done kneading, then you're going to cover it with a clean towel and set it aside for 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so my dough is ready to be rolled. I'm gonna set it on my table, sprinkle a little flour so it does not stick to the table. As you can see, my dough is quite firm and elasticy. I'm gonna roll that. I like to put a little more flour on my rolling pin. And you can flip it if you like. A little more flour so it does not stick. So roll it until it is about 1/2 inch thick. Then drizzle some vegetable oil on top. And spread it all around. Nice. Making sure it's covering the whole bread. You can use a brush to spread the oil if you prefer. Then we're gonna roll the bread. Then we're gonna cut it into small pieces. Okay, so you cut, pour a little flour on there, and then just smash it onto the table to make a nice little circle. Then we're gonna roll this. We'll roll it into a smaller big circle. The smaller circles need to be a little thinner than the big one that you had in the beginning. And now we are ready to fry. This is about the size you want. Set your pan onto medium to high heat. Drizzle just a little bit of oil on there. And when your oil starts to shimmer, then place your chapati on the pan. I use a spoon to go around and check if the bottom is cooked. You want it to be golden brown before you can flip it over. You can add a little bit of oil if you like. You do not want your heat on too high or too low. It will burn your chapati. When you are ready to flip it, it looks golden brown. Pour a little more oil on the top and carefully flip it over. As you can see, the top is golden brown. That's what you want it to look like on both sides. And when it's all ready, both sides are golden brown, looking like that, you're gonna take it out. And so your chapati is ready. It should be soft enough when you tear it. Should fall off easily, as you can see. And chapati is best eaten with beef stew or chicken stew, chicken curry, and back home we eat with baked coconut beans or coconut lentils. Thank you for watching and enjoy your chapati.